Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable dark theme in Signal Private Messenger on Windows 10. So let's start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So first of all you have to open your Signal Private Messenger. So let me open mine. You can see it's opened and you can see guys I don't have a dark theme enabled. So let's enable that. So for that you have to click on your profile picture at the top left. And then you have to click on this preferences and you have to wait for some time. And I have this preferences, this window opened. And on this window you can see here we have this theme, this section, and here we have three options, system, light and dark. So currently I have this light, this option selected. So you have to select this third option, that is dark. So just click on this. I am clicking on it. You can see I have this dark theme enabled. After that, you can close this preferences, this window by clicking on this close button. You can see we have this dark theme enabled. Let me open this chat. You can see. So that's it. In this way, you can easily enable dark theme in Signal Private Messenger on Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.